Hi my beautiful peeps, what's up, wagwan? Please remember to give me a little like and subscribe for other awesome content coming your way. All right, so guys, right here I'm gonna make some jerk chicken pizza, never seen before. 2 ingredients, pizza dough. All right, it's very easy and very simple. Okay guys, so here I have some self-rising flour. I will leave the link of how to make it if you can't get any in the store. I made my own. All right, so I have 1 cup here, and the next thing you need is some Greek yogurt, some plain Greek yogurt of your choice. And I'm gonna put 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt. 1 2 and 3. So make sure you wash your hands and you go in, and you're gonna knead it like how you knead in dumpling. All right, so this is how you want it. All right guys, I'm just gonna cover it. 5 minutes is good enough to get my toppings and everything ready, and then I'll come back. I have some red bell pepper and some tomatoes, some green pepper and some onions. I love the sweet and sour taste of pineapple, so I'm gonna put some pineapple as well. And I have about 1/2 can of this pizza sauce upside down, and we're gonna use some black diamond mozzarella shredded cheese. All right, and the final part, guys, do you want to see it? Yes. All right, here I have 2 leftovers jerk chicken breasts. I'm just gonna use 1 of them, and I'm gonna cut it up. I'm gonna try to remove the bone from the back. Look at this good now. So we have a little container, and then we're just gonna cut it up. I'm gonna grease my pizza pan. A little bit of oil, not too much. I'm just gonna dust this little surface here with a little bit of flour, not too much. And look at the goodness, guys. See how soft it is? So airy and nice. All right, flour my hand. We don't want too much flour on it, okay guys, so let's move away some of that. And I'm just gonna give it few little kneads. All right guys, this is good enough. So guys, after you shape it out into like a round ball, set it in the middle, because you oil your pan already. And what you want to do, you're just going to use your finger and you're going to work right around until you get the size you want. You can go in with your pizza cutter, guys, and you can cut the edges if you want it really neat and nice. I'm gonna add a little bit of this pizza sauce. I'm not gonna put too much today, because more you put, more it gets soggy, so you don't want to put too much. I'm gonna use a little bit of oil, and I'm gonna brush the edges because sometimes when people bake pizza, the edge turn out to be so dry and crusty. Now adding the oil to the edge make it moist. I'm gonna go in with my onion and bell peppers. Next, I'm gonna go in with my tomatoes and my red bell peppers. It's gonna be a loaded, delicious pizza. If you have olives or mushroom, you can add some of that as well. And next, I'm gonna go in with my chicken. This pizza gonna be oh so good. And oh guys, please I'm gonna bake it at 450, and you want to preheat your oven right away. And now I'm gonna add some pineapples. Final thing, some mozzarella cheese. You can put a lot or you can put a little. If you have some fresh parsley, you can put a little bit on top, but I'm just gonna garnish it with some dry parsley flakes. Just like that. And now I'm gonna pop it in for about 12 to 15 minutes, and then I'll come back. Guys, this is it. We're going in. Yes, guys, that's it right there. Yes, guys, yes. My 2 ingredients dough recipe Jamaican jerk chicken pizza. Yes. Never seen before, guys. With some pineapples and lots of vegetables. Ooh, yes. Oh, cheese. Let's cut this bad boy. Ooh. All right, guys, let's do this. All right, can you see the goodness, guys? A little bit more parsley just for decoration. It look kind of pretty and fancy. Yeah, that's good enough. All right, guys, and this is it. This is my homemade Jamaican jerk chicken pizza. And guys, this is the final result. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Love upon me and I love upon you. Look at that goodness. Yes. Bye, guys, and you have a wonderful day. Cheesy good.